Hi there, welcome back. This yoga sequence that I'll be sharing today was actually designed for a client of mine. She was experiencing some fatigue, she has PCOS, and so I wanted to create something that gave her body and her mind and her spirit an opportunity to really be rejuvenated and built back up. So if you have PCOS and you are experiencing fatigue, then perhaps this sequence will also benefit you. So give it a go. You'll want to grab some props. I'd recommend a few sofa cushions or pillows from either your bed or your sofa or your floor, or if you have yoga cushions or pillows or anything like that, that'd be awesome. You can grab those. The other thing I would say to grab would be a blanket, especially if you run a bit chilly. You can use that at any point to cover yourself and feel a little more comfortable. This is a great sequence to practice before bed, as it will prepare your body for a good night's rest. I hope that you enjoy. Let's roll out your mat and get started.
Come down to the center of your mat, grab your pillows, and place them in front of you. Come onto your hands and your knees. Bring your big toes together and your knees out wide. Send your hips back towards your heels and slide your pillows closer to your body so that as you lie down, your chest and head are able to rest on them. Turn your head to whichever side feels good. You'll have a chance to repeat it on the other side in just a moment. Close your eyes and rest here. Come back up onto your hands and your knees and turn your head to the other side. Once again, rest your chest and your head down onto your stack of pillows. Close your eyes and breathe here. Stay here if you'd like, but if you're ready to move on to the next pose, slowly press yourself up. Take a seat next to your stack of pillows. Place your left shin in line with the long front edge of your mat. Bring your right knee to your left instep and point your right foot behind you. Slide your stack of pillows as close to your hips as possible. Inhale to extend your spine. Exhale, twist to your left and lie down onto your stack of pillows. Close your eyes. Breathe here. Slowly press yourself up and make your way to the other side to repeat on your opposite side. When you're ready to move on from this pose, slowly press yourself up. Turn so that you are facing the short front edge of your mat, with your knees bent and the soles of your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your hips and slowly move your knees from side to side. Bring both knees over to the left side of your mat and take a seat on your left hip. Move your stack of pillows against your left hip and lie down, resting your chest and your head onto your stack of pillows. Close your eyes and breathe here. Slowly press yourself up and switch sides. Slowly, slowly, slowly press yourself back up. Turn your pillows so that their shortest edge is perpendicular with the longest edge of your mat. Turn so that your back is facing your pillows. Your knees are bent and the soles of your feet are flat on the floor. Lie back onto your stack of pillows so that your upper back is supported by them. Extend your arms up overhead and then place your hands behind your head. Close your eyes and rest here. If you're ready to move on to the next pose, roll over onto your side. Lift yourself up just enough to move your pillows over to the side, just for a moment. Lie back down, flat onto your mat, knees still bent, soles of your feet still flat on the floor. Lift your hips and place your pillows underneath your hips. Lower your hips, close your eyes, and rest here. Walk your feet in a little bit closer to your bottom. Lift your hips and remove your pillows. Lower your hips back down to the floor. Bring your right knee in towards your chest. Cross your right leg over your left leg. Now walk your left foot in to about the center of your mat. Inhale and extend your arms up towards the sky. As you exhale, give yourself a hug. Bring your hands to your mat and the sides of your hips. Lift your hips and move them over to the right side of your mat, just a little bit. Now drop your knees over to the left side. Bring your left hand on top of your right knee. Breathe here. Bring your knees back up through center. Uncross your legs. Draw your left knee into your chest. Cross your left leg over your right leg and walk your right foot in to the center of your mat. Extend your arms up towards the ceiling. Then give yourself a hug. Place your palms down next to your hips. Lift your hips and shift them over to the left just a bit. Drop your knees over to the right and place your right hand on top of your left knee. Close your eyes and breathe here. Bring your knees up through center. Uncross your legs. And then draw both knees in towards your chest. Hug them into your body by placing your hands either behind your thighs or on top of your shins. Bring the soles of your feet back to the floor. Then place the soles of your feet together and allow your knees to fall out wide, down towards your mat, away from one another. Place one hand at the center of your chest and the other on your lower abdomen. Close your eyes and breathe here. Bring the palms of your hands down to your mat. Extend your legs, and then turn the palms of your hands up towards the ceiling. Do whatever you need to feel comfortable here. Close your eyes and rest. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Stretch your arms up overhead. When you're ready, roll over onto your side in the fetal position. Slowly press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Inhale. Circle your arms up overhead and bring your palms together to touch. Exhale. Bring your thumbs down to your sternum. Inhale. Extend your arms up towards the sky. Exhale. Circle your arms halfway down. Cross your elbows and give yourself a hug. Bring your hands back together at the center of your chest. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you have a restful night's sleep. Be well, and bye for now.